With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, in this given question, we have to write the IUPAC name of the product that are being obtained by the ozone lysis reaction of this given molecule. So let's decode this structure. It is basically heptane. So hept means 7 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I am writing the number. This is the 7 carbon I have written. Third carbon is containing double bond. So let's make double bond over here. Then we are having third and fourth position carrying the methyl group. So third position is carrying methyl group over here and fourth position is also carrying methyl group over here. So this is the basic representation of the given formula. Now other valencies will be satisfied by the hydrogen, that you already know how to draw the structure. Now we are performing the ozone lysis reaction. So ozone lysis is being performed in the presence of zinc and corresponding. So how to do ozone lysis reaction? Basically we need to find the double bond position, and the double bond is now going to be cleavaged, and it's going to share out this side one oxygen and this side one oxygen, and one oxygen of O3 is going to removing out in the form of H2O2. So H2O2 is going to be one of the product, and other products will be obtained from this side. So this is going to be the one side product and this is going to be the another side product. Let me decode this structure. So what is this? This is going to be CH3 followed with CH2 followed with CH2, and correspondingly this is now making double bond with O. So I have written C double bond O, and this carbon is already linked with CH3. So this is the complete molecule. Similarly over here you can write, so if I start from this carbon, then it's going to be CH3, then it's going to be CH2, then it's again going to be C double bond O. So C double bond O, and it is connected with this molecule of CH3. So this is the two products form, this one and this one. How we are going to name them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is basically pent-2-on. We can write pentane-2-on. 2-on, basically representing the ketonic group. And similarly other set of product that is being obtained over here is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. So basically it is butane-on. So we can write second position. So butane-2-on, because second carbon is carrying the ketonic group. So these are the IUPAC name of the product that are being obtained. So this was the solution of the given question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.